Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I got my jewelry in the mail. It's so exciting. Let me open it up and see exactly what I have here. Okay. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I love these earrings. I have like thin hoops on my own, and these are beautiful. And oh my gosh, that's so textured. Look at all of this. This is so nice. And everything's gonna go well with my rings that I already have from them. This is so perfect. Let me use some scissors on this too. Get this open. Oh wow. That's so pretty. This looks even better than it did online. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. And all of the earrings too. Wow. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. It's three-dimensional. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm so excited. Yay.